Welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and today is a big day for us in our Mexican beach home renovation. A lot of you have been following along with us and getting the pool installed. We just bought a house 4 months ago, and here in Yucatan, Mexico, on the beach. It's the Gulf of Mexico right behind there. These are palm trees, and we did a lot. We had sidewalks, we stuck a pool in, we even have a sauna room, which isn't quite, steam room actually, which isn't quite up and running yet. But the big today for us here is the pool. The pool is getting water in it, and it's being filled right now, just started actually, so I thought I'd show a little bit of that. They're doing some cleaning and some polishing, make sure the pool is really clean, as it, of course, and because it's going to take a while. We're filling it with city water, so the pressure isn't that great in this little town. It is $40 for unmetered water a year. It's an entire year. But the water pressure isn't all that great, so we do have a tank, and faster though, we were probably going to have a water truck show up and dump a bunch of water in it just to get it done really quickly. So we're still arranging that. We didn't think we were filling the pool today, actually, but our construction people said it's been dry too long, and now that we finished everything, we need to stick water in it. So we're sticking water in a little bit earlier than we thought. And so here's what's going on. So you can see the water starting to fill in the deep end here. It's out right over there so far, and then just polishing, making sure everything's rounded edges and clean. The wife behind the tree right there is doing some clean as well. So it's going along pretty well. I'm very happy with it coming out, and I'm going to switch to a time lapse about to kind of show the filling of the pool. See you on the flip side. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Expat Rebel. Leave a comment if you got a question, or if you just want to say hi and thank you. Good for that too. Lots of comments are always welcome. Make sure you hit that bell notification. You'll get notified when I come out with a new video. And join my newsletter at expatrebel.com/newsletter. I have a weekly newsletter that has expat news and everything that expat and would-be expats need to know. So that's over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.